Carly, you make a good point. We've seen gold move up along with the overall stock market, along with Bitcoin. What if we see a reversal in the stock market and the second half of the year doesn't look as good as some of the first half did? Obviously, we started kind of on a downbeat note there. Do you think that there's potential for that money to actually then go into gold and for gold to be a safe haven in that case then? Or silver?
That's an amazing question. Thank you. I'm glad that you brought that up because I've been thinking about this. I'll point out that I've noticed that Bitcoin generally tops before the stock market does. Bitcoin in February, March timeframe topped about a month before the stock market actually did. I think it was late March Bitcoin. Actually, I take it back. Maybe late February, early March Bitcoin topped, and then the stock market came in early April. We're seeing something similar. Bitcoin seems to have started to decline here in the last handful of weeks, and I think the stock market has a pretty good chance at following suit. Now, these have been like just bombastic bull markets. It's hard to pick a top, obviously, but I will say that the risk is probably to the downside in both of those assets. And if we do get some sort of market surprise or seasonal sell-off like a lot of people are looking for, I do believe it pulls gold lower. I don't think we're going to get people hitting the buy button on gold because, as I mentioned, they're actually trading as if they're one asset. Gold in the stock market over the last handful of months have been correlated positively about 50% of the time. That's not an extreme positive correlation, but it's enough to let me know that if something goes south in the stock market and or Bitcoin, which would probably be both, they're going to probably hit the sell button in gold also to raise liquidity. And I think they're all going to go up. Whether they go up or down, they're all going to probably move together. So don't try to buy gold if the stock market gets a little bit rocky. I think that might be a bad